Hello there, it's Alison here. I'm from learntotradecrypto.net. I want to do a quick video on Doge and my price prediction for Doge going forward for 2021. I've made a couple of videos already that have given a lot of tips about how you use technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and also where to buy these cryptocurrencies for maximum gains. Okay, so as you can see, I'm sharing my screen right now with you guys, and what I have here is the chart, the daily time frame chart of Doge. Okay, now again, please, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, because when I get to 5,000 subscribers, I am going to give out $100 in whatever currency you want. It could be Ethereum, it could be Doge, whatever you want. I'll send it to you, to a lucky subscriber who has left a comment on my chart. So don't forget to subscribe. Also, I give quite a lot of useful tips in my video, so you don't want to miss those as well. And I'm going to show you how we're making money off this thing. Don't forget to always do your own research. I'm not an investment advisor. I'm just sharing my experience on how I speculate on cryptocurrencies and how we're extracting money from and how we're extracting profits from the markets. Okay, so it's in your own interest to actually subscribe. Right. So if we look at this this chart of Doge, I think that the Doge is in a buy zone right now, because actually the best time to buy any asset is after a retracement. So if I take, this was my plan for Doge about a week ago. So you can see this was the first wave. This was a retracement that led to this push up, and then this is now technically that is wave 4, which is a retracement. So put that here as wave 4. We'll change that to 4. And we're now looking for 5 to start at some point. Okay, so this is the expected wave 5. We'll make that 5. Okay, so that is how you look at it using like Elliott wave. I don't trade Elliott wave per se, but I use Elliott wave for concept. Now, Doge is one of those currencies that has a lot of love. Elon Musk likes to tweet about Doge a lot. So I'm also going to show you. So I think that we are in a good buying zone right now, because this retracement is almost complete, in my opinion. You can see something similar we had here. If you look at this triangle here, this wedge we had it that broke out. And also we also have, again, a similar pattern forming as well. Now, this could actually fall lower. Okay, this could fall lower. But in an uptrend like this, doesn't really matter, because the retracement, normally I like to look at 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which is going to be somewhere around here. Okay, it's too much stuff in there at the moment. So I'm probably looking around 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which should be around 0.56, but it's just about, a couple of cents from where we are now. So it doesn't really matter where you buy in. You just want to take up a position as soon as possible, so you can ride this trend, because like I said, the downward pressure, the buying pressure is quite a lot, and we just got to 50% Fibonacci and begin to see signs of rejection here. Okay, so this price could still fall lower, but because I'm going to put this on my bot to trade it, it doesn't really matter where the price is. Okay, so fundamentally, Doge doesn't really have that much fundamentals, but it is what people people like Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg like to pump Doge a lot. So you want to benefit from those price increases. Okay, so how I do this is that I use a bot to manage trades like this. Okay, so I'm going to go to my bot now, and let me set up this trade here. So you're going to see me how I'm going to set up this trade on my bot. All right, so this is the bot that I use to manage some of my trades. I automatically extract profits from the market. I'm also going to leave you links below this video so you can see how I do this. Okay, so I'm on Binance. I'm also going to leave links on Binance as well. So because I believe that this retracement is almost over, that's why I'm now going to set up bot. Okay, so in terms of price predictions, I'm looking at wave 5. And this price can go literally anywhere from that, because we're in a price discovery mode right now. So the more they pump the Doge, the more it's going to keep rising. So definitely wave 5 is on the way, and we'll see where that goes. But I want to profit from all this travel on wave 5. Okay, and so the way I do it, I put it on my bot. So if I go to this is my BitGap bot I use to extract profits from the market. I can see for this trade so far, this set of trades has made me about $2,500 in profit. And this is how I'm able to give $100 out to that subscriber when I get to 5,000 YouTube subscribers. Okay, Right, okay, so let me set up the bot real quick. You see how quick this is. So I'm on Binance, I'm using the S bot strategy, and I'm going to pick Doge, okay? Okay, so I'm picking Doge USDT, okay? Now you can see Doge has been falling for some time, so which is what we saw on this chart here. This is the daily chart, okay? This is all this fall here. This is what you are seeing here as well on the 1 hour time frame, okay? So we'll reduce that, and what I'm going to say is the first thing I want to set is my lower price, okay? So I want to say, let me go in the 4 hour and set that for you, right? So you can see again how I manage my bot trades, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see what price 61.8 is at, to be honest, so that if price goes below 61.8, I don't really want it to buy anymore. I just want it to stay there. So I want to leave my price to be around 0.52. So I still think that Doge might fall down to 0.52. So I want to leave my lower price at about 0.52. I'm moving, I can see it's moving on the right, 0.50. Okay, actually, I can do the same thing on here. I can also use the Fibonacci here because this is also a trade view data. So this is from the lowest point here, and then I take it up here for this move up here. So let's see that. So yeah, exactly. So I'm going to leave my price around here, my lower price around here. So what I'm saying is that if the price comes back here and goes all the way down here, I don't want to trade anymore. So that would be my lowest price for that. Okay. And then I can delete that. And then my higher price is there. So I have about $2,000 I want to invest, which is part of this profit. It's also what I call compounding, okay? That's how I've been able to grow this capital I've been using to trade here. I have a few other bots as well, not bragging to you guys. This is totally what I have on this bot on various exchanges trading at the moment. So you can see it's about $32,000 I've got in here trading. I'm not bragging, showing you guys what is possible. But on Binance, I have about 20,000 on Binance, and then we have about 15,000 trading on the bot, okay? So in setting up this bot, the first thing I'm going to set is my lower limit. So I don't want the bot to trade anything below 0.05, which is 5 cents. And then I'm expecting this move up here, like I showed you guys on the chart. I might be speaking fast so I can do this video as quickly as possible, but you can always rewind and see this is where I think it's going, okay? So let's see what happens then, all right? So I'm going to invest that amount, and then in terms of grid spacing, let me see what I have here. So grid spacing, I'm going to put it at, let us, 57 doesn't look too bad. So let me see how many Doge I've got, but I want to buy as much Doge as possible with as much money as I have. So let me see how that's going to work out. So if I take this one up a little bit, you can see the amount of Doge here is increasing and the dollar is also falling down as well. So what I can do as well is to raise this upper one. You see, if I raise the upper one, the amount of Doge I have to buy, oh, that's falling. So if I bring that down actually, oh no, that's not working. Right, so I want to increase the amount, but let me see if I reduce the, you just have to play with it and see. No, let's see. So I want to keep this between 0.5 and 2%, okay? So let me see, 45, and I want to leave 536 to buy some Doge, okay? I want this to be a bit less. So let me just pause this video for a second while I manipulate this, all right? Let me just pause recording for a minute and I'll come back. Okay, so I think I found a fairly good balance, about 25,000 Doge to buy as much as possible, because I have about $2,000 to invest here. So I want to buy as much Doge as possible and then leave as little USD as possible. So that's what I've tried to do here, okay? So I'm just trying to show you guys where I think Doge price is going and how I'm going to profit from it using my bot, okay? So I'm then going to start, it's going to buy me about 25,000 Doge and it's going to buy me 25,000 Doge and let's see how that goes, okay? So I've set my grid levels at 45 and my grid step at 1.69. This will represent my profit per transaction, okay? So 45 levels is going to be how many pending orders I'm going to set. Now, if you want to know how the bot fully works, I have other videos on my channel that shows you how this works. But again, this grid levels is how many pending orders I'm going to set, because the bot tends to set multiple limit orders on the buy and sell side, okay? So again, I just want to start that bot now, and then let's see what happens, all right? So that's my upper limit, lower limit, all done. I'm happy with that, and then I will click on start. So it's going to ask me to buy this amount of Doge, which I'm going to say yes, buy a market price. So it's going to buy that Doge, and you see, so that's all done. And then that's the Doge bot now started. Okay. So guys, there you have it. That is how that's my price prediction for Doge, and that is how I intend to profit from the price prediction, from my price predictions. When Doge begins to move up again, if anything happens, it doesn't work out very well, I'm happy to hold Doge because it's becoming a very, very popular cryptocurrency. Okay. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video, and you've seen how I'm using fundamental analysis. Well, Doge is popular. Technical analysis, I've used Elliott waves, which is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5, to try and determine a probable path of price for Doge, and what we also call price prediction from my point of view. And then not just that, how I'm trading this on Binance using my bot that actually helps me to make profits while I'm asleep. Okay, if you are in the US and you want to trade with this bot, I will leave a link below for you to get a VPN where you can just use the VPN to trade. Make sure you avoid KYC. All right. So guys, it's Allison here. Don't forget to subscribe. I have $100 for a lucky subscriber in the next couple of weeks when I get to 5,000 subscribers. And like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye. Don't forget to look in the description below for all the links. Cheers.